To provide excellent career development opportunities to all the students taking admissions in various schools of Kaziranga University, we have Career Development and Placement Center, that is CDPC, with a strong and dedicated team of professionals spreading across various parts of the country, namely Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, Calcutta, Guwahati, and also in the campus. In terms of career development, Kaziranga University is faring well in comparison to the other campuses around, including the government campuses, mainly because of employability skill enhancement training, which is we have incorporated into the curriculum, and there are industry relevant training and certification program that we conduct for our students, and even internship in good corporates. Then we have final placements in the before they pass out from the campus, final placements in the renowned companies. In terms of final placement numbers, in the last 4.5 years, we could conduct 555 campus recruitment drives and generated 1,436 job offers. Highest salary being 12 lakhs rupees per annum, and average salary for MBA being 5.14 lakhs per annum. For BTech it is 4.45 lakhs per annum, and for other courses it is 3.96 lakhs per annum. We have even conducted all the big four companies in the world, namely PwC, KPMG, Ernst & Young and Deloitte, and our students are placed in those companies as well. Any graduate who is passing out of the campus, they have only 3 career paths in front of them. Be it entrepreneurship, when he decides to become a job giver rather than a job taker, be it higher studies, somebody who wants to pursue higher studies or research, and of course the job placements. Now in entrepreneurship, we have entrepreneurship club. We give training to the students who are interested in starting off their own ventures. We have live projects, we help them in patent filing, we even give them funding as well. In terms of somebody who is wants to pursue higher studies or may want to go for research, we provide info about all the competitive examination. We have in-house GATE coaching by outside agencies like Engineers Forum from Delhi. We have MOUs with renowned universities like Nagasaki Westland University, NWU, that is in Japan, Nagasaki. We have MOU with IIT Guwahati for pursuance of higher education, and also it helps when we incorporated this aptitude plus communication skill into our students' curriculum. Now, in terms of job placements, if somebody is seeking their career advancement in terms of a good job in the corporate sector, in-house EACT, employability skill enhancement training, that gives a lots of boost. We have career counseling session, we have guest lecture session, we have internship cum placement. Then of course on-campus recruitment drives that we conduct year-on-year basis for all the students across all the schools.